Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm here now to present to you this farm lot for sale here in Talibon, Bohol, Philippines. This farm lot for sale here is clean title, containing area of 5,800 square meter. Mini coconut trees included. 22 kapunuan. 22 kapunuan nga lubi na apel ani. Na po yung mga mangga. Hindi pa kay dagko nga mga mangga pero uh, hapit na mo nga uban. So very nice location. Along Barangay Road is farm lot for sale. Here is along Barangay Road and also overlooking right over there. You can see the view of the ocean. So the corner is right over there. It's the coconut trees, and then going to the other corner, and then going straight to the Barangay Road. Ini mga lubihan nagbunga na. So bunga na siya, di pa siya kay tagas, igo-igo gyud na. Indot kay siya kay dili pa tagas ang bunga na. Yeah. If we dig deep well here, so that's a source of water. And no problem also the source of water if you connect the source of water because of Nawasa right over there. If you want to connect the Nawasa water supply, but if you want to dig deep well here, so we can uh, dig deep well also here in this corner. So no problem about the source of water, no problem about the road because along Barangay Road. That's the corner, that's the corner trace going straight to the Barangay Road. So, very nice location for farm and very peaceful place also. Peaceful place, and the neighbor here is friendly also. So here in Centro, Barangay Centro, ining lugar from Centro Padungare is 1 kilometro lang ang distance ika sa Centro. Karog dagat mga hapit siya mo 2 kilometro. I think 1.5 kilometer from here going to the sea. Okay. So may siya ang medyo ibabaw nga bahin. Ngining maong lot for sale here in Talibon. So here you can see the ocean. This is the ocean. So Poblacion Talibon right over there. There's a mango tree loaded. The Chinese mango. And the other one, Chinese mango. This is the Barangay Road going to the highway. and then decide going to other uh, barangay. Okay, so again, this lot for sale here is clean title, containing area of 5,800 square meter, and the price of this is 750,000 pesos only. I package deal na. So this lot for sale here is rush for sale because ang tagiya is naginhanglan og kwarta og money. Naginhanglan siya og money para siya magamit ito na kwarta. So ang by per square meter ni is 130 pesos per square meter. Total siya og 750,000 pesos package deal. Okay, na siya 24 napay duha kalubi, so 24 kalubi. Niya siya mangga nga nasakop na sulod is I think 7. Di pa siya kay dagko pero padung na siya mo dagko amo nga. Okay, that's all for now, and if you like interested to buy this, just call my cell number 0928-269-5367, and my email address only gmail.com. Okay. And again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more incoming videos. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye for now. Have a nice day, guys.